layering with ganache and crumb coating your cakes. Hello and welcome back to Enchanted Cakes. I'm Yvette, your host, and today we're going to be chatting about layering your cakes with ganache and then crumb coating them. So we have two 8-inch round cakes here, which are baked to approximately 3 inches high. And using our Agbe leveler, we set the blade to 1.5 inches high and check it with a spirit level. Place the cake in the middle of the blade and gently slide the blade through the cake and continue with the next layer and the second cake. Make sure you're sliding away from you. Warm your ganache so it's peanut butter-like consistency, and then using your offset spatula, spread some ganache onto the underside of the baseboard and secure it onto your setup board. Place some ganache onto your board and then place your first cake layer onto the ganache. Spread some ganache onto your cake layer and place another cake layer on top, pressing it down slightly. Smooth all the excess ganache around the cake sides. Spread some more ganache onto the cake and place a third cake layer on top of the ganache. Again, smoothing the ganache around the edges. Finally, spread some more ganache onto the top of the cake and continue around the sides until the cake is completely covered and crumb coated. Now, we love our ganache. It's silky smooth, it tastes amazing, and best of all, it's available on our website at www.enchantedcakesbyyvette.com, where you can download the recipe and the entire tutorial for how we make it with all our tips and tricks so that it works out perfectly for you. Have fun layering and ganaching your cakes, and don't forget to tag us at Enchanted Cakes by Yvette. We'd love to see your creations. Comment below if you like this and you'd like to see more videos. Bye for now.